Have you ever tried to hold back a sneeze in public? Most people think it's harmless, but it can be dangerous. Stopping a sneeze traps enormous pressure inside your head. That pressure can burst blood vessels in your eyes, rupture your eardrums, or in rare cases, even damage your brain. Sounds extreme, right? So what really happens if you hold in a sneeze?
Don't scroll away. If there's something you're hoping for, remember, God can make it real. Just take one simple step. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with your family. And if you believe in miracles, type God is good in the comments.
Let's get right back into it. Here's the truth. Holding in a sneeze builds up pressure that can harm your body. Most times you'll be fine, but the safest choice is always to let that sneeze out.